Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated outer glow text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word shining. This is a Pro feature, by the way. I'm also going to change the font as well. You don't have to. And then I'm just going to select glow and I'm going to select this one. You can also change the color here if you'd like to do that. Let's use this one. You can adjust the intensity here and the range as well. And to make it like animated, you're just going to select the keyframe here. And for instance, you want to start from the left side to the right side. So you're just going to move it here, I guess. And then you're going to move it to the right so that you'll have this like, to not add a keyframe apparently. Hold on. Where is it? Here we go. Did I add a keyframe? I feel like I did add a keyframe. Okay, I'll add it to the X offset one. And then I'll like move, to the Y. Okay, let's start that over. Okay, move it to the left like this. And then like around this time, you're going to like move it to the right and it's going to add in a keyframe. So it looks like it's moving from the left to the right. Or you can go from like up to bottom, but I prefer this like animation better. That's pretty much it really. You do need the Pro feature for it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!